Yeah man, what's up everybody? It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to the channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Today's video is going to be about 4 inexpensive interior detailing tools that I use in my detailing business every day, and I would recommend that you also get them and put them in your arsenal. First on the list are Auto Fibers Scrub Ninjas. These are awesome. This is the Scrub Ninja Ultra, I believe. This is the Scrub Ninja Star. Perfect for interior scrubbing all your panels. It's a non-abrasive material, can cover a lot of coverage. You know what I mean? They're pretty decent in size. Second on the list, guys, are your standard detailing brushes. This set is from Chemical Guys. You have a large, medium, and a small. These bristles are a little bit more firm, perfect for getting in the nooks and crannies. Third on the list are these from Detail Factory. These are more on the delicate side. Fourth on the list is the Vortex air cleaning tool. I believe it's from High Tech. Take a look. It's awesome. Has like a little circular motion. There it spins when you pull the trigger and the air releases, like a high velocity air cleaning tool. Yeah man guys, so we're going to do a quick demonstration on a door panel to show you how I use all 4 of these tools. So connecting my Vortex. And of course, since we're cleaning, guys, you're going to need your favorite APC. Right here, I got Maguire's diluted 10:1. Alright guys, we got this Tesla Model 3 for the demonstration. So we got our tools here, guys. Press them down here for the time being. So pretty simple. You can see that this door panel is, pretty dirty. Can use a little bit of love. So what we can do first is you can use your blow gun. Blow away any other debris. So you want to take your APC, spray onto your Scrub Ninja, spray a little bit onto your panels. And scrub away. See, that's the Ultra. The Star comes in really handy due to its shape. You can kind of like wrap around certain parts of the interior. And you can also, use it just as you're using the Scrub Ninja Ultra, but this one is cool because it's more flexible. That's why I like it. And then these delicate brushes you can also use, especially if your car is not that dirty to begin with. I'd recommend using these if your car is pretty much clean already and you're just doing like a light maintenance. And then I guess I would recommend using the Scrub Ninjas if you really gotta like put in a little bit of elbow grease and scrub more. So pretty much. And then these type of brushes, since the bristles are a little bit more firm, they're perfect for getting into little areas like where the window controls are. Getting into like more of like the nooks and crannies, I would suggest to use it more for that. Anything where you think you might need a more firm bristle. So after all of that, guys, of course, clean microfiber towel. You want to mop up all that remaining APC that's still on the panel. It's a clean side. And your air tool comes in handy here also because, as you can see, you can use it to dry up some of the APC also. So you can use all 4 tools interchangeably and kind of You know, they all kind of work together beautifully. And the good thing, guys, like I said, they're very inexpensive, very affordable, and very efficient. See, these little areas here where you kind of have to like really dig into to like really try and mop up the remaining APC. That's where your air gun comes in really handy. You can just dry out those little areas. And there you guys have it. It's just as simple as that. That was the door panel, but of course, you follow the same process for all the rest of the panels inside the car. Like I said, all 4 tools are pretty much interchangeable. You can use them all together. Trust me. Pay attention to what you're doing. Pay attention to the details. You'll have excellent results. Yeah, my people. Easy 1, 2, 3, right? I hope this video is informative and will help you guys out in your business. Or if you're a do-it-yourself type guy, hope it will help you also. If you don't know, thanks for watching. If you guys want to see more content like this, leave me a comment below and let me know. Remember, all the products and tools that I use are linked below in the description. Just click the link, head on over to Amazon, you can get your stuff right there. Thanks again, guys. Like, subscribe, share, all of that. Clean Car Chris. Mad.